Hello friends, as promised, here I am with the second part of this video. In this video, we'll learn how to use sum and SUMIF function. If I click inside the AutoSum value, you can see it is a formula with a sum function. So we can say that a function is a predefined formula that helps us to save time. Let me show you. This formula has an equal sign, the sum function, and the cell range. The formula adds the range of the cell from B2 to B4. This is same as adding B2, B3, B4. If we use sum function, then it will save our time. How to use the sum function? To use sum function, start with an equal sign, write sum, open bracket, select the data range, close bracket, and press enter. So now let's review some more examples on how to use sum function. Here is the second tab which I have labeled as sum. If I use AutoSum here, then it will only add the adjacent cells. It will not add the values above the blank cell. To use sum function, start with equal sign, sum, open parenthesis, press Ctrl button, select first value, select second values, close parenthesis, and press enter. By using sum function, we can add the values given in other worksheet as well. For example, I have tab 2 which is labeled as sum2, and here I have some values. So if I want to add this value plus this value, then again I will start with equal sign, sum, open parenthesis, select first value, plus, go to the second tab, select value, close bracket, and press enter. So now I have the total of this plus the value given in the second tab. Now we'll move to the other function, which is SUMIF. What does SUMIF do? The SUMIF function adds the values based on the criteria that we provide. For example, I have property values given in this column and I have commission given in this column. So let's take the first criteria. Suppose I want the total of property value which are over 160,000. So how to do it with SUMIF? Again start with equal sign, SUMIF, open parenthesis, select the values, comma, mention your condition in the quotation mark. Like I wanted the total of property value which are over 160,000. So greater than 160,000, close bracket, enter. So now I have the total of property value which are over 160,000. So that would be these three. In the second example which I have, suppose I want the total of commission for property values over 160,000. I want, if property value is over 160,000, then I want the total of the commission. So let's start. Equal SUMIF, open parenthesis, select the cell range, comma, more than 160,000, close, comma, select these cells, close parenthesis, press enter. So what it will do, if the property value is more than 160,000, then it will add the corresponding value from column B. So these three are the values which are greater than 160,000. So this formula has added these three values. Now we move to our final tab, which is SUMIF Text. By using SUMIF Text, we can add values which are corresponding to a particular text. How to do that? Let's go. This is my example table. I have category vegetables and fruits, food mentioned, and sale values given. Suppose I only want the total of fruits. Start with the equal sign, SUMIF, open parenthesis, select the category cell, comma, my condition is fruits, so I'll write fruits, comma, I will select the cell value, close parenthesis and press enter. So now I have the total of the fruit cell value. Similar to this, we can also use question mark and asterisk as wildcard. For example, if I only want the total of food ending in ES. So how to do that? Again start with equal sign, SUMIF, select the food name, comma, asterisk, ES, comma, inverted comma, and then cell value, close parenthesis, press enter. So now I have the total of food which are ending in ES. So what is the difference between a question mark and an asterisk sign? A question mark matches any single character and asterisk matches any sequence of character. So if I have to match only one character, I will use question mark, and if I have a series of characters like ES, then I will use asterisk. Thanks for watching guys. The next video would be on basic mathematical functions in Excel, and soon I will post that video. And now here is the course summary for you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.